Hey guys, it's me, Alapniag. Today I got 5 cookies at the gym at school today. So here we go. Here's the one I got, which is chocolate chip cookies. Yep, that's the one I got today. And make sure I will put it in the freezer. Hold on, wait a second. Alright. Alright, the next I have is mint chocolate brownie. Here's the inside. Okay. I have another chocolate chip cookie dough. Yep. Here's another one that I got. How about in this place where it can fit? Alright, the last I have is candy cookie with M&Ms. Yep, they are M&M cookies. Yep. And here are some churros. Okay, we're gonna put it in the freezer right now. Here's my churros. That's one I picked up today at the school. Well, it's not gonna fit, but that's okay. These ones are gonna fit in there. And well, it won't close, but let me try to fix it. Well, that's it for my reviews on that I got some 5 cookie doughs. And thank you for watching.